Okay. Welcome guys. Do you still remember me? I'm Kulot.
And I'm Ulan.
My friend is gonna join to me. We're getting started. We're gonna fight with only.
I gotta restart Roblox.
We're gonna fight any sword. I'm just waiting him. We're gonna PvP. I don't know what. I'm so cooked. Look, his blows is too many than me. I'm just gonna wait him. Oh, my friend is here now. Okay. I don't know what I'm cooked. Don't know I cannot kill him. Look at this, guys.
I have this.
Nice. He have so many swords, but I have this. I killed Raul. Okay, let's go fight now.
Wait, I gotta make my layout.
Where's the PvP?
We're on PvP, okay?
I'm on PvP now. If I die, we're gonna beat the boy dummy. If I
No, we're not gonna defeat the void dummy. That's only one player.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna beat the Wrangler together with only
Okay.
fists weapons later.
I'm gonna kill this. They bullying me. He just died. I'm just
He's using my phone right now, so and he's using it to record. That's why I don't have two devices. I'm just using a tablet right now.
we're gonna fight. If I die, we're gonna beat Wrangler. B1. If he's die, we're gonna beat together. You know why? Raul.
No, you cannot beat Raul together because it's impossible.
About who we're gonna beat?
How about you? Let's just beat
I'm PvP now.
Turn on PvP too.
Where are you now? We're gonna fight in here.
Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna fight. Okay, go. Where are you?
What? Where are you?
I do. I think I'm cooked. I don't see him.
Ah! I fell! I just fell. I fell.
I don't know where he is. He said,
fell!
where did you fell? Oh, where did you fell?
I fall. Hey! Already.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go now.
Finally, it's another way.
I will find him. Hi, General Land. I'm here now. Oh, you're in the Go now. I'm Raul with two sunglasses. No healing. Let's fight no
Healing is
healing.
allowed.
Okay. I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's only my sword. I don't have anything. I'm waiting my friend.
I have like every sword, but the other sword I have is on my other account.
I'm waiting my friend, guys.
I have the golden katana of destiny, but it's on my other account.
I'm just waiting my friend. Oh, there he is. Okay, let's go now. Bro, there's no damage. Still, my friend.
He's definitely sick.
Wait. Time first, bruh. Okay, but I'm gonna just use my
Let me see your screen.
I'll just use this. Guys, I'm probably cooked to them. Look at this damage. I'll kill this one. Oh, yes. I won.
I just killed the rhino.
Finally. Don't turn off your PvP. I'm going there now. Only feast. Only feast.
No, we can use the sword. They
Okay.
already defeated the rhino without the fish. I'll make my moveset first. I need a
Okay. I have this. I'm using this now. That I'm gonna use. I think we're gonna win this time. You done? I'm here now. Guys, I'm just waiting him. I'm just gonna kill this dummy first. I need some more blows. Where are you now, my friend? Oh, there. There he is.
Let's bully the dummy.
Okay, I'm here now. I'm just gonna kill this one. It's no dummy. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's serious. Oh my god. Bro, he did it. What we're gonna kill next?
We're gonna kill the mega dummy. I'll activate the mega dummy, okay? I'll be back.
I will go there too.
Don't follow me.
Why should I follow you? I'm going there now.
Don't follow me, okay?
Yeah.
Just go down.
Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta, ha?
Where are you? Use the boots.
Asan ang mga supply nyo?
I fell.
Sa. Balik mo yan dun, ha?
Tara, makikain man tayo doon.
Nagpabango pa talaga siya.
I'm always coming back.
Tara. Magmumotor ka na ba papuntaran? Magmumotor ka na papuntaran?
Oh my god. Yes. Okay, only piece. Next, please. Only piece. Only one piece. Only one piece. No, only one piece. Oh my god. That hurt. Only. This one was serious. Yeah, I defeat in one punch. That's so easy. Okay. This is the video end. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.